Is this how you wear press-on nails? Keeps falling off. Beginner's Guide to Long-Lasting Wear Step by Step. Watch till the end. The kit that comes with each set of press-on nails has everything you need for how long you want them to last. Let's get started. First, gently push back cuticles. Buff your nails in one direction along the natural texture. Then carefully trim any excess using the trimmer. If you had cuticle nippers, that would be better. Using alcohol pads, wiped the dust and oil. Method 1. For short-term wear 1 to days, select the right-sized sticky tab and press it onto your nail. Tips. Apply the sticky tab firmly, pushing it outward from the center to the edges. This helps activate the glue for better adhesion. Once all 10 fingers are prepped with adhesive, applying the press-on, nails will be much easier. Position the press-on nail at a 45-degree angle, starting about 1 mm away from the cuticle. Gently push inward and hold firmly for 10-15 seconds. Make sure to press firmly and avoid any air bubbles. Repeat the process for all nails. Avoid all water for at least 2 hours after application. First challenge. Method 2. Use a hairdryer to warm. The sticky tab heat activates maximum tackiness. Apply nails with firm 10 seconds pressure. Make sure avoid any air bubbles. This method typically lasts 3-7 days. With proper application, my record is a full 2 weeks. Challenge number 2. The apple test. Method 3. Hybrid application, sticky tab plus glue. Select a sticky tab slightly smaller than your natural nails. Use the included nail glue. Always place tiny glue dots to trace the exposed edges. Safety first. Avoid getting glue on skin. Lightly scrape the press-on nail across your natural nail to transfer glue, then press firmly using our signature 45-angle method for maximum adhesion. Again, hold it firm for 10-15 seconds. This method ensures 2-4 weeks of wear. Just make sure to press firmly and avoid any air bubbles. The fridge challenge. Opening can challenge. Can your press-ons survive this? Lifting challenge. How How to remove press-on nails safely. 1. Prepare warm soapy water or any kind of oil. Soak for 10 minutes. Gently lift the edge, using the cuticle pusher. If it won't budge, apply a drop of cuticle oil to loosen the adhesive. If you feel resistance, stop and apply more oil instead of forcing it. Using the opposite end of your cuticle pusher to gently remove the sticky tab. Final step. Gently cleanse nails with an alcohol wipe. You'll find zero damage to your natural nails. Wipe the press-ons with alcohol pads also. They'll look brand new and ready to reuse. Total money saver. By the end of this tutorial, every beginner will learn how to wear press-ons that last. Practice makes perfect. Salon results in minutes. For best adhesion, we recommend applying them at night after your shower. Thanks for watching.